Once upon a time, at the busy Gaisano Mall in Pagadian, there was a sleek and agile drone named Clinty. Clinty was known for his impressive aerial maneuvers and top-notch camera capabilities, making him the go-to drone for capturing stunning visuals and recordings. One bright and sunny morning, Clinty received a special assignment to survey the Gaisano Mall's expansive parking lot. As he soared high above the rows of cars, he marveled at the bustling activity below. People were hurrying to and fro, loading their purchases into their vehicles, while others were just arriving to start their day of shopping. As Clinty glided gracefully through the air, he noticed a group of children playing with a stray dog near the entrance of the parking lot. Intrigued by the scene, Clinty decided to hover closer to get a better look. The children, delighted by the presence of the curious drone, waved and laughed as Clinty captured their joyful faces with his camera. Suddenly, a strong gust of wind caught Clinty by surprise, causing him to wobble in the air and drift off course towards a nearby tree. Panicked, Clinty struggled to regain control and avoid crashing into the branches. With quick thinking and precise maneuvers, Clinty managed to navigate through the obstacle and safely return to his designated path above the parking lot. Impressed by Clinty's agility and determination, the mall security team took notice of his quick reflexes and offered him a special task to assist in monitoring the parking lot for any suspicious activities or traffic congestion. From then on, Clinty became an integral part of the mall security's measures, helping to ensure the safety and smooth flow of vehicles and in out of the parking lot. As the sun began to set on another eventful day at the Gaisano Mall, Clinty circled the parking lot one last time, capturing the vibrant hues of the twilight sky and the peaceful atmosphere settling over the bustling mall. With a sense of fulfillment and pride, Clinty knew that he had found his place in the world, soaring high above the chaos below as the ever-watchful eye of Gaisano Mall.
Thank you.
For watching.